In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create artistic text with an image as its background. What we're going to use is the mode options, and we're going to use two layers. We're going to use some text, and we're going to use a background layer. It's going to appear just like this. So I'm just going to discard those changes now. To begin with, we will have a background image like this. So this will be supplied in the file that you can find in the description underneath this video. So once you've downloaded that, you should have this. The first thing we're going to do is create a new layer. We're going to make sure it's a white layer and click OK. You're then going to create a text box by selecting the text tool. Make sure that the color is selected as black. You can also do this, and then draw the text box by dragging it across your image, and then inside of it type the word surf, S-U-R-F. It's really tiny to begin with, that's fine. Highlight it, so you should see it highlighted like that, and just increase the size. Highlight again. So select text, highlight it, increase the size of it, so it's quite big. I'm just going to scroll up the page here a bit till I get nice decent sized text. At this stage I'm going to zoom out to 25% just so I can see the image a bit clearer. I'm just going to make sure I get all the letters in by increasing the size of the box. Still, that text is just a bit too big, so that should do fine. Then I use the move tool, and I'm just going to position it where I need it to be. A little bit higher up the image this will be. And then all you need to do is right click on that text in the layers panel. So again, I'm going to right click on it and I select the option for merge down, which is there. So now this is one layer. Then with this layer selected, which has got the text and the white background merged together, we click on it and we go for addition. And lo and behold, you've got your nice background showing through. One final thing, we're going to trim the image down. So about here, just to include everything. We go to image, we go to crop to selection, and then you have your final image. And that is artistic text with an image as part of the background.